Hey there! This video is going to show you how to create a managed assets account in your Green Wallet and then how to connect it to Stoker. If you don't have a Green Wallet and need assistance with creating one, then simply click on the link in the description below for our full tutorial video. First, log in to your Green Wallet app. You'll need to create a managed assets account. Click on Wallet and then Add New Account. Select Managed Assets Account, or it may be called Liquid Securities Account, depending on the app version you have. Imagine this as your securities account that you have with your banks. Click on Next and then type in a name for your Managed Assets account. Then click on Create. You now have a Managed Assets account under your main account. Now, open your Managed Assets account. Make sure you're not in your main account. Then, you can find your account ID in the top right corner. Copy it to your clipboard by simply clicking on it. Now, go back to your Stoker page. Click on Register Liquid Account ID. Here, you'll need to paste the account ID of your Managed Assets account to Stoker, and then click on Register. Your Liquid Securities account is now whitelisted on Stoker. And that's it. If you have any further questions, you can always hit us up on support@stoker.io.